Jesus fucking Christ. That's Home Depot. Crushed. Gone. Everything's gone around here. Holy shit. I've never seen something like this. Everything is fucking down. Walmart is fucked up, for fuck's sake. Jesus. Unreal. Oh my God. Aldi's gone. Cars destroyed. There's Home Depot. Where is it? It's gone. Nothing is here. Oh my God. Holy Christ. I can't even tell where streets are anymore. I don't know. There's no landmarks. Apartments. Holy Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking A. Looks like Rex is just jammed packed, so. There's just no easy way through town right now. Holy shit. Unbelievable. Everything is gone. This is devastation. I did not expect this. I did not expect this to be this bad. Track hoe turned over. Another track hoe just fucked up. Bulldozers crushed. This Walmart truck has no Walmart to go to. I hope there's not too many fatalities from this, because this is fucking ridiculous.